สบายดีทุกคนตอนนี้ก็ฮอดเวลาสอนนางนาเดียแหละมื้อนี้ค่อยเกี่ยมคำศัพท์มา4คำศัพท์นี่เป็นคำศัพท์ง่ายๆสอนเพิ่นแต่ละมื้อเฮาเรียนมื้อละน้อยแต่ว่าเรียนทุกมื้อเดี๋ยวคำศัพท์นี่บางคำก็เพิ่นก็ฮู้แล้วเรียบร้อยบางคำก็บ่ฮู้แต่ว่าเพิ่นยังอ่านบ่ทันได้เป็นตอนนี้มีแต่เว้าเป็นอย่างเดียวเดี๋ยวสิลองถามเพิ่นว่าสิได้คำศัพท์ได้แน่เดี๋ยวมาเบิ่งนำกัน Baby Nadia it's time to play games
Daddy, it's my friends.
your friends
And this is a $3.
okay
Look at it can say.
เพื่อสิได้สอนแต่ละมื้อแบบนี้แหละบ่ได้ง่าย
He say English.
Oh.
He's okay.
Okay so firstly I gonna ask you
Hey games. And
Yes,
play
yes.
like this. Play like this.
สุดยอด but firstly I need to ask you if you know it and you show the camera just like the last
You
night
must do camera like this, and this are your phone, and you must do it like this because the people can see.
okay
No, it down, and he can see this.
yeah but we gonna show them like this
Now we and you buy phone down like this.
no they wanna see it down they wanna see you and your friends over there
It's not.
okay so now firstly sit down have a seat please baby okay เดี๋ยวลองคำศัพท์นี่ baby what is it
Cabby, what do you think? He think is a cup.
cup is that a cup ครับทุกคนนางตอบถูกขับแปลว่าจอกน้ำ
No, it's not me. It's my
โอเค
friend.
โอเคแค่แบร์ตอบถูกแค่แบร์ตอบถูก so next one
No, it's not me.
it's your turn
Milk.
what is it
Milk.
milk oh milk what does this mean in Lao milk
Num.
no do you drink milk
Yes, but I drink milk so yummy.
you drink milk so yummy
Yes.
okay
Milk. Num เห็ดมาจากนมวัว
oh really it's from the
Yes.
cow
Yes, it's for the cow white, not cow brown.
ah
Cow white is have white and black.
oh
And he have
but in English we say white cow not cow
yes,
white
white cow.
เราเอา
And
เรา
it's
เอาส
have
ลับ
back.
กัน
And he had bags too.
okay black and white cow
Black,
and white
bags and white tend to be black white.
okay black white tend to be black white okay so now you got two
Now it's okay. Now it's my face. What do you say? He says juice.
juice oh Care Bear you said juice oh that's right correctly
It's me.
we said juice what does this mean in Lao juice juice แปลว่าอย่างภาษาลาวน้ำหมากไหม
น้ำหมากไม่ที่เขาปั่นเอา
Yeah.
เขาเห็ดมาจากปลูก
okay
บ่แม่นมันเกิดมา
and what is it we say orange juice
Orange juice.
have you ever drink orange juice
Now you can say with my cabin.
okay Care Bear have you ever drink orange juice
I think it's yes. I know. I'm
yeah
happy with my Lambo. Look it.
okay
It's my Lambo.
okay
Look it. Here is the Lambo, and I'm so happy so much.
okay so now the last one
Now it's my turn.
it's your turn okay ขอรอบเพิ่นอีกแหละ what is it
Sweet.
sweet ooh wow
That we're not gonna eat too much because we're gonna hurt with teeth.
you're gonna hurt your teeth
Yeah.
and you're gonna get sick
No.
because you eat too
It's
much
gonna hurt.
oh yeah
And we kiss gonna down. Oh.
Oh.
And we gonna hurt teeth. And we got to.
yeah you're gonna put down
And
Yes, I know, but I don't know, I don't know the English
tell
one
us.
as well. Oh yeah, and you're gonna get sick as well because you know if you eat too much sweet, you're gonna get sick.
And don't eat ice cream too much, okay? Because we're gonna get sick. And don't eat water cold too much. My daddy like eat water cold little bit,
Okay.
and my daddy like eat water don't cold too much.
Oh.
But we don't eat water because we know it's gonna be yellow.
Pee.
Yes, it's gonna be yellow. But we eat water too much. It's gonna be pea. It's other be white.
Oh.
White is white. Then